Hey people, for just rupees 30, you get this amazing vada pav with these two different kinds of chutneys. And this is at Brown Bear, this place near Malampet. And I can't wait to taste it. This is like getting a burger for 30 bucks, yeah. So this is vada pav and this is at Brown Bear, Malampet Road. I come here every evening. This is the first time I'm tasting vada pav here. Normally I always stick with my dahi puri. This helpful gentleman here. So truly people, if you all want a bite of the vada pav, you'll have to come to this place that is right next to, it's on the Malampet Road and right next to Brown Bear. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.